How to reset ExpressVPN password if you forgot it. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily reset your password if you forget it. So first, just head over to any web browser and simply search in for ExpressVPN official website. Just tap on this first option over here, and if you already have logged in account, you can simply tap on this my account button over here. If you ever forget your password, that means you cannot log into your account. That's why you need to click on this forget your password button over here when you click on login page, and you just have to enter your registered email address just like this. And once you enter it, just click on this send instruction, and once you click on this send instruction, the particular OTP code or say reset link will be sent to that particular registered email address, and you just simply need to reset. Click on that reset link and just enter the new password. And once you enter the new password, simply type in your registered Gmail once again, as well as your new password which you just newly created over here. And once you enter it, you should be successfully able to sign into your account just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.